Oh, this one's coming to see us. Howdy.
If he comes to us, I'll stroke it. You can draw it if you want.
Come on. You're going to be in the pictures. 3 seagulls in formation here. Ma. Pretty rare to have an inquisitive one. Must be a youngster. Ma. Ma. Yeah, he is.
When
or she. Ma.
When 2 occasions. One was when I was climbing up a mountain in thick
You're on
fog.
camera, by the way. Yeah, climbing up a mountain.
In thick fog, and it was in the early days of mobile phones.
Uh-huh.
I was texting and I still had the sound on.
Oh,
So
yeah?
I was going beep boop boop beep boop boop boop, and suddenly out of this thick fog, and I could only see about 6 feet. These sheep emerged, attracted by the sound. They
Oh,
just
really?
came right up to me.
Oh, that's cool.
In a friendly manner. They weren't unfriendly.
Uh-huh.
And the other time was in Derbyshire, and beside a river, eating a packet of crisps, and all these sheep came along and wanted to eat the crisps.
Come on, you can come over. Hi. I was talking to the sheep.